Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn something from our writing section, that is, notice writing. So, what is a notice? I guess you already know whose voice are we going to listen to now. Hi, Google.
Ciao, that's hello in Italian. How can I help?
What is a notice writing?
According to entrance exam, a notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen.
Thank you, Google. Actually, I love listening to her voice. That's the reason why I keep asking her things like that. So, in short, notice is a common means of communication. And what do we communicate in the notice? We simply communicate an event or an information about an event that's going to take place. So let's just take a look at the format of a well-written notice. So here, at the top we have the name of the institution or name of the organization. So the notice here that I've written from a perspective of a cultural secretary. So I am Cinderella. I am the cultural secretary of school BAPS Swaminarayan Vidya Mandir. That is the thing that goes first. Name of the organization or institution. And as a cultural secretary, I am going to write a notice about a dramatic competition audition that is going to take place in our school. So, we start the notice with the name of the institution and we write the word notice and we write that in block or capital letters. Do not forget this. Next, we write the date on the left hand side of the page near the margin. The date on which I am writing the notice. I am writing the notice on the 17th of July 2020, which is today. And then we have the heading, that is the title or the heading that describes or tells the reader what the notice is about. It is about dramatics competition auditions that is going to take place. So I just write a little about the event that is going to take place. So now the content goes like, this is to inform you about the inter-school dramatic competition which will be held on 27 July 2020 at BAPS Swaminarayan Vidya Mandir in School Hall. An audition will be held to select students for the school team. Interested candidates may give their name to the undersigned. The details are given below. Date 27 July 2020. Time 10:30 am. Venue school auditorium. Eligibility class 8th, 9th and 10th. Cinderella Menezes, Cultural Secretary. To the undersigned, that is to me, as I have written the notice and I am the cultural secretary, and the details. So I have written something briefly about the event that is going to take place, that is drama competition or dramatics competition audition. And then I have mentioned these details here, that is the date, the time, the venue and the eligibility. So here I have mentioned the date as the competition will be held on 27 July 2020 at 10:30 am. So here I have answered the question when. Then I mentioned the venue. So the audition, it is going to take place in the school auditorium. So here I have answered the question where. And who all can come for the auditions? What is the eligibility criteria? Class 8th, 9th and 10th students can come for the auditions. So here I have answered the question of who. So well, it's very important to answer these questions in a notice. When, where and who all are supposed to come for the event. Finally, I sign off, I write my name. Name only if it is given in the question or else XYZ. And at the end, after the name, I write my designation or my post, that is post of a cultural secretary. In the end, it's very important to mention the name of the issuing authority. So, I do that by writing my name and my designation of a cultural secretary. So this here is a format of a well-written notice. Let's just have a quick recap now. You have to mention the name of the institute or name of the organization at the top. Then you have to write the word notice in block or say capital letters. Then you have to mention the date on which you are writing or drafting a notice, and it will be on the left hand side corner of your page. Then comes the title or the heading. You write a brief about the event that's going to take place. You mention all these details. So, in the main content, you answer all these questions of when, where, and who. And finally, you sign off by mentioning the name given in the question or XYZ and your designation. It is very important to mention the note of the issuing authority, which means who has written the notice. That has to come at the end of the notice. So I hope you'll write a successful notice after the session. Stay home, stay safe.